Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert JPEG files or JPG files to PDF. JPG files are images that you have within your system, so you can convert them directly to PDF in seconds, easily with a very simple platform or software called I Love PDF. Now, to access I Love PDF, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser again. And you can just type ilovepdf.com just like so, and to bring you over to this very platform. Now you can see again there are a series of other different features of I Love PDF that you can try. But for today, our main target is JPG to PDF. Okay, how do we convert JPG to PDF? So this converts JPG images to PDF in seconds, easily without adjusting orientations or margins. So we can click on this, and then we have the option to select and import the images that we have. You can drag and drop them here, drag and drop the JPG images here, or you can select them from within your system. Also, alternatively, you can come over and import them within this very platform, either from the Google Drive or Dropbox. So for this example, we are going to go with select images within my system. So I can click on this, and then I can just go ahead and go to the location where I have the JPG files. I have them in this here, so I can select all of them and I can say open to this, and everything is being imported. Now these are my files that I've just imported, all these images. If you like, you can click to remove any of them if you are not interested in adding any. For example, I want to remove this and I want to have only these ones. You can adjust their position if you are interested. Okay, you can just reassign them and readjust the positions accordingly. Or you can sort directly, order by file names accordingly. If you want to order by file name, then you can reorder directly. Okay, so you can add more files with this plus sign. You can add from your system, from your drive, from these drives as well. Now over to the right, you have the page orientation. You have portrait or landscape. You have to define what kind of page do you want. Is it portrait or landscape? You define at this moment. Now, judging by the type of images that I have, I think I better go with landscape, so we can have something like full screen within the system, okay, within the pages. Now over here, you define the kind of page size. Is it an A4 297 by 210 millimeter or US letter? Anyone you want, you can define. Okay, or fit same as image, same size as image. You can do fit same size as image, or I prefer to go with A4 with this much sizing. Okay, down here you have margins. Do you want margins? You can have small or big margins. Okay, within the page. Let's say I want small margins, and you can merge all the images in one PDF file if you want. If you don't want, you can uncheck this, and individually all the files will be converted into PDF on its own. Then later on you can combine them if you are interested. But for this tutorial, for this example, I want to merge all of them into one PDF file. So I select this, and then down here I can click convert to PDF, and everything is going to be converted to PDF in the matter of seconds. You see, now the images have been converted to PDF, and in a matter of seconds it will start downloading over here. Alright, so you can see right now it's been downloaded. You can click here and you can see the sample of what we've just created. So these are the images that we've just created. You can see them very sharp, very nice, and interesting. So this concludes this tutorial about how to convert JPG files into a PDF file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.